Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another Peachybbies restocking video. Just a heads up, if I sound like I'm dying, it's probably because I am. I lost my voice yesterday, so I'm really sorry if this sounds bad. This week I have a ton of my favorite slimes for you guys in the mix, and we're going to be playing with some big batches, we're going to be packing slimes in ASMR style, and I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of new slimes, so stick around if you want to see that, and stick around to the end of the vid if you want to get a sneak peek at my next video. For now, don't forget to check out all my social medias, they're all linked down below for exclusive slime content and to get notifications for all my new content first, because who wouldn't want to be in the notification fam? Am I right? Am I right? I also linked my newest Itsaxdrea video below too. You guys should definitely check it out because I exposed a bunch of the absolute worst clay slimes, so you should probably get on that before you accidentally buy them. I'm just saying. Now, let's get on with the video. So first up, we have a new DRIZZLY slime to the shop. This one is Party Popper Cloud, and I've had this plan since the end of 2018, and I finally found the perfect glitters and the perfect confettis to look like the inside of a party popper. It's scented like sour berry candy and comes with a teal, blue, and red swirl, which is super bright and pretty. When you mix it up, it turns into a really pretty deep navy or an eggplant color, depending on what mix of swirl you get. And I just really love everything about this one. You guys need to feel it for yourself. So I technically premiered this cloud last week on a live stream. If you guys want to watch that, I'll link it down below. But I'm bringing it back because I'm literally still living for it. Fireman is a super sparkly and alien themed cloud with really nice fluffs and a delicious grape pop rock scent. And then on that live stream last week that I was talking about, you guys actually helped me choose the chunky silver hollow topper that's on it right now. And I have to say, still obsessed with how it turned out. Oh my god, this is probably one of like my favorite slimes I've made in a really long time. Plus, it comes with a glow in the dark alien. I showed you guys bubble stuff last week as well, and we made some 6 ounces up together because I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to pack it at the time. You guys are really helpful, by the way. Thank you for that. This one starts with a crystal clear and super holdable clear slime base. We add on some iridescent glitter, some iridescent pigment, as well as a few pockets of food coloring you guys get to mix in yourself at home. This one is an amazing pick if you guys have a slime Instagram. It looks super, super pretty on camera. White peach soda jelly literally smells so good. If you guys love peachy or fruity scents, you need this slime in your life, okay? White peach soda is one of our jelly icy slime hybrids. So this one settles pretty clear, but then you can inflate it to almost twice its size, and it is so, so nice. Especially when you inflate it, you get a ton of bubble pop. This one is also topped with an iridescent glitter topper. It's definitely, probably one of my favorite slimes in this restock, you guys, and we only have a limited amount, so if you want it, you better snatch it quick. We're gonna be releasing just a few slimes in the shop after this video goes live because it was a little late because I was sick and I want you guys to be able to get some stuff. So just know, peachybbies.com down below. If you guys want something and you're like, man, I need that right now, don't wait, shop while you watch. We're bringing pink hearts back for the season. This week's batch of pink hearts, let me just say, came out so well. It's super fluffy and super sizzly and literally the lightest, fluffiest thing you will ever feel. I have to say it's probably one of my best batches of this yet. So you guys need to try this one. Pink hearts is a cloud cream texture with a white, light pink, and rose layered design. So you guys can mix all of the colors yourself and it smells like cake frosting and it is super yummy. And of course, we have a few of these icons available. WILDBERRY Pop-Tart is super crunchy and amazing for bubble pops, but it also smells exactly like WILDBERRY Pop-Tarts. If you guys want to get your hands on an icon, this is definitely the one to try. Another new slime we have to the shop this week. COSMONAUT is a super soft and super inflating butter slime, our new recipe, with a lilac winkle swirl. We top this one off with a dab of metallic purple pigment and this really cool special sprinkle mix inspired by space that you guys get to mix in yourself as well. I literally just love everything about this one. It's super soft and super sizzly. You can inflate it, the colors are adorable, and it smells just like a mint milkshake Oreo, which, by the way, smells amazing. So in the past few months, I've seen so many of you guys asking for Froggo jelly to come back, but I knew that I could make the recipe better, so I haven't brought it back yet. I knew I didn't want to sell it again until it was as perfect as I knew that this slime could be, so I introduced to you Froggo Jelly V2. She's sizzly, she's sparkly, she's literally everything I wanted Froggo Jelly to be. So let me introduce her, okay? Froggo Jelly V2 starts out with our new Jelly Icy Hybrid base. To be honest, it's like one of my favorite bases because it inflates literally so much and you get amazing crunches and sizzles from it. Definitely recommend snatching this texture if you can. It's really, really nice. I love it a lot. We also added more iridescent green glitters into the base. And then we top Froggo with the literal prettiest hollow gold glitter. It's very similar to the one in Far Out Man Cloud, except for it's gold. I'm so in love with this one for real. So Radioactive Radberry, most definitely inspired by my love for the Fallout games. Radioactive Radberry is probably one of my favorite scents. We actually hand mixed this scent and it's literally unlike anything we've ever created. It is so yummy. And then if I had to describe it, it's definitely like an electric sour raspberry. The base to Radberry is our classic inflating butter, super fluffy, super sizzly, super spreadable. And here I'm trying to show you guys clips of all the slimes, both in their deflated state and their inflated state, so you guys can kind of get an idea of what they look like inflated and how much they puff up. So keep an eye out for that on all of the videos that I'm showing you guys. Super limited amount of Fruit Loops buttercreams as well. We actually overcounted last week, so I wanted to list the extras so that you guys, my lovely friends, could try some of my fave slime out. This one is scented like Fruit Loops and cake frosting. It is amazing. And this one is also in our inflating butter texture and topped with some super, super cute Fruit Loop dust clay topping. And then finally, this is the last time we're bringing this one to the shop for the year. This one was one of our winter slimes, and I wanted to bring it back one more time because it's actually adorable. The peppermint swirl sprinkles in candy cane frost are literally the cutest thing on this planet. I love them so much, and I had to give you guys one more chance to snatch. You know how we do, right? Do you know how we do? Because I hope you do. She starts off with a crystal clear and holdable clear slime base. We packed this one with iridescent snow glitter because, you know, winter, snow glitter, and I kind of love adding glitter to everything, so that's kind of like a duh kind of thing for me. And of course, because I love adding glitter to literally everything. Add in those cute peppermint sprinkles and top it off with foams for a ton of crunch and super satisfying bubble pops. And that is it for this restock. I'm so sorry that I sound like this. Hopefully I sound better before I record any other videos, but I've been sick 4 times in the past 2 months, so I had to film something, you know? If you guys do snatch from this restock, don't forget we're actually releasing a limited amount of slimes on peachybbies.com right now, so you guys can snatch if you see something that you love. But don't forget to tag me in any pics that you guys post on Instagram because I love sharing all your reviews and seeing how you guys like my slime. So definitely check out all the links below. I better see you, okay? Other than that, I left some extra at the outro, and tune in later this week for a full ASMR video to tingle all your brains and do the ASMR-y stuff. Cool, I'm giving you a thumbs up. You just can't see it. Okay, I love you guys. See you later. Bye.